Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply or request for a second Google Adsense PIN. So guys, if you have applied for Google Adsense PIN and you've not received it, you don't need to bother about that because you can apply for Google Adsense PIN 4 times. You are given 4 times, given 4 opportunities to apply for Google Adsense PIN. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can request for a new AdSense PIN. So guys, for you to do that, you have to log in into your AdSense account. So let me log into my AdSense account right away. So guys, let me go over to my browser. I'm going to be using my Chrome browser in this tutorial today. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. So guys, once your browser opens up, what you have to search for is adsense.google.com. So guys, let me type it in, adsense.google.com. So guys can see it. So let me tap on enter. Then let me tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. Then let me tap on sign in. So guys, now I can see I'm signing in into my AdSense account. You can see it's loading. So guys, now I can see I'm logged in into my AdSense account. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see it there. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. Let me zoom in again. So guys, can see the three horizontal bar. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written payments. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on verification check. You can see it there, the verification check, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards to the bottom of the page. So guys, all you have to do now to get your second AdSense PIN is to tap on where it is written resend PIN. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to make sure that the address that you inputted is actually correct. You can see my address is actually correct. So guys, let me go ahead now to read what is written here. They said resend PIN. A duplicate PIN will be sent to your payments address. You can still use your original PIN if it arrives first. So guys, in case your first PIN, the first PIN that you applied for, if it gets to you first, you can as well use it. But if the second one arrives before the first one, then you can use the second one. But there is no how the second one will arrive before the first one. Guys, to cut this short, the information they are trying to pass out is that no matter the number of PIN that you applied for, you can use any of the PIN to actually verify your address. So if you applied for your Google AdSense PIN 4 times, you can use either of them. You can either use the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one. They will all work because they are all associated with your own Google AdSense account. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on resend. But guys, before I tap on resend PIN, you can see where it is written update address. The arrow is pointing at it. In case your address is not correct, or in case you think your address doesn't receive standard mail, you can go ahead to edit your address. You can go ahead to change your address. But guys, as you can see, my address is correct. So let me tap on resend PIN. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see the new notification down there. A PIN will soon be made to the address below. So guys, what you have to do now is for you to wait for about 3 to 4 weeks or probably 1 month for you to get this your second Google AdSense PIN you just applied for. So guys, now you can see this is how you can actually apply for a second Google AdSense PIN. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.